Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. We're talking Polaris Xpedition and kind of some Ranger stuff today. This applies to some of that, but we're talking about reducing the cab noise. All my buddies that have these things, they hate how loud they are internally. I got one here, I drove it, I was like, holy crap. We need to fix this, we need to look at it. You guys are really gonna like and see what we offer. If you want, click the link below, take you right to our website. Otherwise, listen up, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about it. Some of this stuff, the clunking part I'm going to talk about, anytime I talk about the clunk, that applies to the Ranger models too. So we'll get into the clunk part now. Lots of noise complaints, especially with the cab units and cab Rangers. If you're one of those guys that you've got the clunk, you know, when you're stopping and going, or going from forward to reverse, reverse to forward, and you get that clunk every time you hit the gas and it drives you insane like it does me on my own Ranger, call us, we'll get you set up with a new helix and we'll take care of that. What we do there is we get rid of this reverse notch in the helix so the roller can't slap back and forth, and we just go to a fix. We fix the roller, encapsulate it all the way around so it can't do that. You will lose some of your engine braking features, but if you're, you know, you're a Midwest guy like me and you don't really ride in hills and stuff, it's no big deal. You guys that are in the mountains and rock crawling and stuff, or going down a lot of steep terrain, you might find that you're going to deal with the noise because you want to keep that engine braking. That's totally up to you guys. There's no wrong answer, but we're here to help if you want it. The other option, and the new package that we come with, we've got this clutch kit in front of me. That's for the new Xpedition. This clutch package alone reduces the cab noise right by where you're sitting by over 10 decibels. That is an unfathomable amount of noise. Anybody who's done any decibel testing stuff, it's huge. 4 decibels is like a 50% reduction. And like I say, we're reducing it by 10 decibels. So we'll show you on a chart now. We'll show you with the stock clutch setup, we're going to show you RPM, we're going to show you speed, and we're going to show you the mile an hour. These machines, you know, at a cruising speed or RPM of like 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, it feels like you have to be 50 to 80% throttle to get these things to go anywhere and do any constant or steady cruising. This clutching setup resolves all that. So again, we'll show you the stock RPM, speed, and noise data, and then we'll show you the RPM, speed, and noise data with our clutch setup. And you're going to see the cruising speeds are increased by 10, 15, 20 miles an hour at any given RPM. And I think you guys are really, really going to like this setup. All in the same time, we're reducing the overall cab noise too. Breaking down the clutch setup, we have our new adjustable weights. It's a fully adjustable weight. This setup is fully threaded all the way through. They work on the Ranger models. They work on these Xpeditions. Weights are fully adjustable. They will come preset for the package that you order, whether you're low elevation, 3,000 to 6,000 feet, 6,000 to 8,000 feet. We have everything preset for you. there when you get the weight, so you don't need to worry about that. You still have the adjustability if you want it. Comes with a new primary spring, new secondary spring, and then some of our nylon clutch washers, or excuse me, nylon spring washers, just to help the spring slide and glide. It reduces fatigue and helps keep the spring ends from digging into the clutches and creating issues there. And then it comes with, I talked about the Helix a little bit ago. You can select the EBS option, so it still has the engine braking like stock, or if you want to get rid of it, you can go with the non-EBS version, and we'll get you a fully encapsulated setup here, and you can go that route as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You guys are really, really, really going to like these setups. They're awesome. I know some of my buddies with these Expeditions, they brought the machines here because like, I can't even drive this thing. I absolutely hate it, and now they love it. So give us a call. Check it out on our website, and we'll talk to you guys soon.